LegalZoom registered agent service pricing explained what you get for your money. Most business owners think they need to handle registered agent responsibilities themselves, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom makes it easy, compliant and affordable. LegalZoom's registered agent service starts at per year. This includes receiving and forwarding official legal documents, service of process notifications, and maintaining compliance with state requirements. The service is available for all 50 states, making it convenient for multi-state businesses. For example, a small business can use LegalZoom as its registered agent to ensure that annual reports, tax notices, and legal correspondence are handled promptly and securely. This eliminates the risk of missed deadlines and potential penalties. Most people get this wrong by assuming management of these responsibilities is enough, but missing a notice can create legal or financial consequences. Using a professional registered agent provides peace of mind and keeps your business in good standing. In conclusion, LegalZoom registered agent service offers strong value. Reliable, state-compliant, and hassle-free. It's a smart investment for business owners who want to protect their company while simplifying administrative responsibilities.